it. Food I talk about in my course. Hey, Kellen here, and I want to tell you one of the things. Okay, let me fix this up. Hey, Kellen here, and the reason why I want you to go to Africa so bad, I want you to experience the food. Suya, the culture, the food is part of it. So I said, let me show you guys what I'm talking about when I say food. So I got this from Hot Sauce Caviar right here in Palm Beach County. And this is a beautiful just decoration. Let me just show this to you real quick. Suya. And if you can see the arrangement. Now I've eaten some of this food, so they gave a lot more. You know, don't think like this is it. But this is the suya. Gotta have it in your life. And you know, people say, oh, kebabs are kebabs. I've had them from all over, and nothing is like a African suya. They gave me some onions and tomatoes. Sometimes people like those. I'm one of those people who like those. And they have on here the African pepe. That's what that orange stuff is. And I have my own too, but I also like to mix mine with Daddy's famous African pepe. I'm gonna bottle this up for y'all so you can see. But this is the whole thing of going to Africa. You get the food. You can get something like this on the street for less than 20 US cents, that is. Less than 20 cents. Where here in America, it's either gonna take you a little bit of time to do this meat, or you're going to have to pay for it. And you know, Hot Sauce Caviar, you're going to pay what it's worth. You know, for real. So just pay it though, it's worth it. But I like to take my suya and, you know, get that soya in there. And I like to get the little pepe that I have, because I'm about to, you know, do real damage to this. And these things, like, you can get this in the drive-through, the African drive-through, I call it. Because you can be in your car when you're in Africa, and somebody will be knock on your window. Huh, what's up? Got that suya for you, Suya. Okay, you got some food for me? I mean, whether you're on West or East Africa, South or North, that drive-through, you gotta love it. You get your pineapple, but you can eat in your seat. You know, you're just waiting in traffic. Because sometimes that traffic is real, and you have to wait there for hours. Your stomach just growling. Oh man, I gotta eat. You're never hungry in Africa. The food is abundant, and it's good food. And if you bring in your dollars, it's cheap food, you know? So you just don't get food for yourself. This is a number one thing. And again, in my course, go to diversifiedgame.com, check out the picture, scroll down, check out the picture, click it. You will see that you're not supposed to just feed yourself. You gotta feed your family, but you also gotta feed your driver. So, you know, if you get one of these for 10, 20 cents, you don't get one, you get a handful. You get enough for everyone to enjoy, because that's the African way. Everybody should share, and that's why I want you to get the course. And that's also why I made the course $20, so everybody who is serious about going to Africa could afford it. Now I'm going to be making more and more content, because they tell me you gotta make more content to push a course. People have to know, trust you, all that good stuff. You guys can look at the resume. You can see why you trust me. You can see why you need me, because it's just not me who I take to Africa. I take my kids. I take my wife. We have taken as a group, 30 people. So I've seen how tours work for that. You guys got to see that freedom. I just spoke with someone that I've never really thought about where I was from. You need to think about where you were from, and you need to think about getting it done, because everybody else is winning because they know where their history started. Some of you just know America, America. And the beauty thing is, when you go to Africa, no matter where you're from or what you look like, you're gonna be embraced and it's welcome. It's because it's the birthplace of man. So it's not just because I look like everyone there, everybody's in Africa. You know, the Indians have been there generations. The Chinese now have been there, you know, long time, more than a decade. You know, everyone's there. Now, if this place in the first world, you know, blows up, burns, where are you gonna go? The final frontier. And it's really the first, Africa. I'm gonna enjoy my Suya, enjoy my family, and I hope you enjoy my course. Tune in, tap in, and let me know in a review, or you can even do a review on the course. You send it to me or upload it to yours, tag me. I wanna know what's going on with you. You guys, be blessed. Suya, hot sauce, caviar. What do we have here? They just delivered to us. Suya, Nigerian Suya. The Cameroonians, the Suya is here.
Are you tired of the rat race in America? Are you ready to visit the motherland to relax and rejuvenate? Are you ready to explore all that Africa has to offer? Then check out the brand new Diversified Game Academy course, Prepare for My First Trip to Africa. Are you worried about being able to afford the trip? We got you. We will show you how to travel either on a budget or as a baller. Learn how to stress the value of the USD. Did you know that 100 United States dollars is worth over 1,000 South African rand, or 10,000 Kenyan shillings, or 54,250 West African CFA? Are you worried about taking your kids? Get the game from KELLEN KASH, a bona fide world traveler, having traveled to almost 20 countries, several of those in Africa. Get the game on taking your kids on their first trips. Learn how to find the best tickets, get the visas, and plan your own adventures in Africa. Don't let Eddie Murphy have all the fun. Plan your own coming to Africa trip starring you, produced by you, and featuring you. If you are ready for a life-changing experience, sign up for our course today, Diversified Game Academy. Get prepared and purchase at diversifiedgame.com.